Generally, each type of regulator, tax, unemployment, workers' compensation, employee benefits, has its own tests to determine worker classification as an employee or independent contractor. In recent years, the IRS has foregone its 20-factor common law test in favor of a 3-part test based on behavioral control, financial control, and the relationship of the parties.
Probably the best generalization if you want to look at to try to decide if somebody's an employee or not. Number one test you need to look at, I think always helpful, is does this person actually do the same thing for someone else? For instance, I offer my services as a CPA to the general public. I offer tax services, and I have lots of people coming in. Yes, I'm paid for services. Yes, I'm paid by these people to perform a service for their business. But I'm not an employee because I am myself in the business, and we tell that because I am working for a large number of employees. I have my own office. I have my own risk of loss because I have an investment in equipment. All of those things make me look far more legitimate. If instead I was only working for one person, I was doing one company, I was doing 40 hours a week, I had to be there from 9 to 5, when the boss could see me, and I got paid an hourly rate that was, set, and all of those things make me look much more like an employee. So the real test is, and I've always said, look for risk of loss and look for, the level of control, and most importantly, does it appear they're offering these services to someone else? If they're not, chances are pretty good. And the other problem that we see also come up in the case law, if these people are integral to your business, that also to the court normally is a huge factor suggesting that these people, like construction workers, if you're a construction company, they're employees because you can't do the work of the company without that work. Without those workers, your company doesn't function. That doesn't make them look like they're ancillary or people that are coming into a special issue. That makes them look like the absolute employees doing the company's work.